In a report from Reuters News Service, Addax Petroleum, an African oil company that was purchased by Sinopec in 2009, is currently the second largest oil producer in Cameroon, the fourth largest in Gabon, and the fifth largest in Nigeria. But that may change soon as Addax Petroleum is embroiled in a legal dispute with Gabon over an oil field which claims and counterclaims total more than $1 billion. The case adds to the questions about whether African enthusiasm for Chinese investment in the continent's resources is fading after an iron ore project in Gabon was placed under review, and separately, 3 Chinese licenses were revoked in Zambia's coal sector. Gabon conducted audits in 2011 and 2012 of the hydrocarbon sector, which pumps around 240,000 barrels per day and accounts for 80% of the Central African country's export earnings. Gabon's state-run Gabon Oil Company put on its website that the Ministry of Oil transferred the Obangi oil field from Addax to the 2-year-old Gabon Oil Company in January. Commenting on the dispute, senior officials at the oil ministry alleged in May that Addax had failed to pay customs duties and comply with other laws, and said Addax could lose its license to operate in the country. Addax sources have previously denied Gabon's accusations, although a spokesman for the company declined to comment for this story. Now the company, which accounts for around a third of Sinopec's overseas oil production and has 5 oil fields in Gabon as well as exploration activities, is fighting back in hopes of protecting its other interests in the country, according to a source familiar with Addax's strategy. In countersuit actions, Addax is seeking $330 million in damages from Gabon in the ICC International Court of Arbitration in Paris, and Gabon had responded with a claim for $780 million.